In the era of compact crossovers and premium hatchbacks, are you the one who is still looking for a mid-size sedan? Well, this might be what you're looking for. Hey guys, I am Rishabh and welcome to Auto Wonders.
You got to let it go. 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 I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go, go. I'm ready to let go. I'm ready to let go. You got to let it go.
So let's look at the exteriors of this car. The headlights, they feature projector halogens. I like the chrome on the radiator grille. Let's have a look at the engine bay now. So this vehicle features a 1.4 liter VVT petrol engine that delivers an output of 91.1 bhp and 130 Newton meters of torque at 4000 rpm. Single blade wipers. I don't like the alloys of this car, honestly. Maruti, if you're watching this, kindly update the alloys in the updated version of the Ciaz. The rear profile of this car looks very classy. Somewhat resembles the Honda City. Let's look at the boot. So it's quite roomy, as you can see, with 510 liters of boot space. Since this is the top model, the Ciaz Alpha, it features smart key access, wherein you have the remote key fob in your hand or in your pocket, and then you can open and close it. Lot of leg space in this vehicle. The front seat is adjusted as per my position, and I'm 5'10" for reference. You have this center armrest with 2 cup holders, rear AC vent, a charging socket. One thing I noticed, there are a lot of cubby holes in this car. So you have 4 cubby holes in all the 4 doors. There's a cubby hole here where you can keep your phone, and then every door has a pocket where you can keep your knickknacks and all the stuff. And then in the dashboard also, in the center armrest, there's a lot of stuff which we'll be coming to later on. We also have rear sun blinds, which is only featured in the top model of the Ciaz. Let's get into the front seat now and see how it feels to drive the Ciaz. So this is Akash, who happens to be our colleague at Auto Wonders, and he owns this vehicle. So Akash, how old is vehicle?
I got this in December 2017.
Okay. And so far you have driven how many kilometers?
Around, I guess, 5,000 plus.
Okay, and how do you feel it?
Oh, I like it.
The best part of this car?
I really like the comfort given Maruti and given for the price which I've paid for it.
Okay. So the value for money is
Yeah,
quite
the value for money is like totally on the top.
good. Okay. So let's look at the interior of this vehicle. The front dashboard looks quite clean with the smart play screen, the auto AC climate control, and this cubby hole that features some pockets for your bottles or for your cups. You also have a space down below the handbrake, and then a center armrest. We have two airbags since this is the top model of Ciaz. So the switch gear looks like it has been taken from the previous models of Maruti. I like the instrument cluster of the Ciaz. It really gives a good illumination effect at night. We have one button for the parking sensor, for the fog lamps, and for the headlight leveling. And all the audio controls are there on the steering itself and the telephony controls. The screen features both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So you have all the features of the navigation, the music. Everything can be controlled from your phone. It can be connected. We also have auto dimming mirror, sunglass holder, two reading lights in the front and two in the back. Let's drive this car and let you know the driving impressions. Now, try the acceleration test now. The engine feels quite good actually. It however lacks the overall punch. The initial punch is good, but I guess the power fades away after some point. I like the steering. It's very responsive and provides good feedback. Suspension is also quite good.